What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing another video on of Roblox with my friend Caden. We just had a fun fair fight. Yeah. So he's gonna be joining me and also making a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. His channel is Crazy Roblox God 18. Go subscribe to him and please subscribe to me. Once I hit probably once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be buying I'm gonna be what? I'll be buying an Ao and Teo mask, or maybe even like way too much Robux. So yeah, like I'll probably buy like a million Robux, about $1 million Robux.
You can share some with me.
I'm not sharing any with you.
Not even 5.
Not even 5.
Not even 1.
Not even 1.
Not even 0.
Not even 0.
No, you can't say no to that. Cause then if you say yes, I'll give you 0 Robux. Then.
Actually, yeah, I will give you 0 Robux. There's your deal. You planned it?
About.
Have you started your video yet? Hurry up! You need to do your intro, bro.
Yeah, I gotta get
I'm so high at the moment. Yeah, guys, by the way, best thing ever, is to buy the snowman. I'm gonna kick him out of my car, lock it. And then if Caden needs to come in, I'll unlock it, duh. Well, if Fluffy underscore pineapple 18 comes in.
I have to get my thing going. You can just go. I'll meet you somewhere again.
I'm probably gonna go rob a jewelry store. Is that a cop? The guy just on my car. Okay, guys, we need to be. Guys, I'll be getting. Oh, shoot. No! Tase me. No, there's a cop with me. Was
Dude, you know what you should do?
one.
Screen and webcam. Like they can see your face and the game.
I know that, but I'm doing face reveal in a I'm doing a face reveal once I hit 100 subscribers. This guy's an idiot. Well, I'm not, guys. I'm not being rude. I'm just saying. Oh, guys, I'm gonna give a free $5,000 because I'm a cop right now. $5,000. What? I never heard of $5,000. Yes, you have. Cause if you play Roblox, you'll hear it. It's called a duffel bag. And I bought it. I bought the duffel bag. I bought the duffel bag. Why are you doing face cam? Are you also saving up for 100 subscribers? Cause that's what I'm saving up. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna wait up. I'm not gonna wait for 100 subscribers. If I get 100 views or 50 subscribers, I'm doing face video. Imagine if I get sponsored. Do you want to get sponsored?
Who did you get sponsored by?
I don't know, but like, do you want to get sponsored by?
Yeah, I don't know who I want. Well,
I just want to be sponsored. That's all.
okay.
Because if I get sponsored, I'll be able to do some giveaways. Oh yeah, guys, if I get a lot of subscribers and viewers and stuff like that, and if I get sponsored, well, which I don't really care if I do or not, I will be doing giveaways, and then I'll be doing a face cam and hey, become a cop, okay? There's a lot of people. Yeah, there's like a lot of people that have a lot of money, and then like, yeah, like bounty. Young, dumb, broke, high school kids. Oh, young, dumb, young. Guys, we're gonna catch him. Do you have faith in me? Because if you do, we will catch him. Trust me, guys, we will. What? My taser didn't work? Oh yeah, my guys got him. Good job, buddy. Let's just zoom by now. Oh yeah, guys, if you check out my Instagram, you'll be able to see my face. Isn't it Ashton? It's Ashton Do. Oh, it's just Ashton Do. And then, if you guys know who XXXTentacion is, that's my photo. Oh man, we got a runner. Do you think we'll catch him, guys? No? Okay. Young, dumb, broke, high school kids, and young, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, and broke. Are you a cop? Have you even done your video yet? Have you even started your video yet? This guy really thinks I'm nice. Better think again, buddy. No! Yes! Guys, guess what I just did? I just depressed somebody. Let's just lock this car first. So nobody gets in. Because if people get in, they're gonna take my car. And if people take my car, they're gonna leave. We can't have that. Oh yeah. This guy is just not the smartest. Like, these guys are not smart at all. Guys, I just arrested them. Oh, guys. By the way, soon I will be buying the Lamborghini. Who wants me to buy the Lamborghini? If you comment down below, I will be. If you comment down below in the comments, Lambo, I will be buying the Lamborghini, just for you guys. Cause I am nice. Where are you, Kate? You in the game? Let's see where the prisoners are. Oh, there's only four crazy people. We're trying to get up, but it's impossible because I'm just sitting here and I'm wrecking these kids. I'm wrecking these 12-year-olds. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Should I just get my taser and just tase everybody? Like inside. Should I just tase everybody? You did? I wonder who viewed them. Maybe we viewed them. Maybe like me, you, and Michaela viewed them.
Does Michaela even know about my game?
Probably. What? What? Oh, we got a hacker, dude. We have what are they called? We have a no clipper. What the? Dude, I need your help. Are you in the game? Yes. Are you in the game? Why? What are you doing right now? I'm a command cop. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Prisoner. Let's see. Pull. I'm up that roof. Come fast. Okay. Can I have cash? Dude, there is a cop. Are there like people talking? Talking about that. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let's just become that. How about we press E and just book it. Let's send it, guys. Let's just send it. Boy, let's send it. Like, are you silly? I'm still gonna send it. Come on. Peanut butter. Slide. Yes, peanut butter. Peanut butter sliding. Peanut butter sliding. Peanut butter sliding. Yeah. Guys, I need $1,000 more.
What?
I need a couple thousand more. I need a couple
41 more thousand so you can get the rainbow.
41 more thousand. Guys, if you want, you could send me some crates, please. Oh, you joined the game. Thanks. Sharing it. Young number gospel. Go.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing Roblox again with my friend
Ashton. Please go subscribe to me at Kid Gamer with two M's, 1238888. Yeah. So 88 space 88.
I'll put it in the description.
Yeah. I will too, guys.
So we'll be trading. I have 5,000 right now.
I have 59,000.
I don't think I have the one person enough.
What?
I don't think I have the one person enough.
Why?
The house one.
Why is it like every time you leave the game you